In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook comments to your Wix Studio website. Since this feature isn't offered directly in Wix, we're going to use an external widget, but don't worry, it is completely free of charge and doesn't require you to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to this page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. From here, you want to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the right hand side and click on the See All Widgets button. And in here, you want to go to the Explore Our Widgets. On the right hand side, you will see the search bar. Simply click on that one. And in here, you just want to type Facebook comments. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget down below, and simply click on Facebook comments so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corner of the window, you can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to where you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget. And on the left-hand side, we have about 3 options. On the source section, this is where we can change our comment source. So if you click on the drop-down, we can choose the current page or a custom URL. You can also add the custom URL link right down here below. You can also change the number of posts per page. And at the bottom, you can change the order by to top, newest, or oldest. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout. You can simply also set it to auto. Or what you could also do is set a number of pixels. On the style section, this is where you can change your color scheme from light to dark. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social, simply click on that one. And onto Embed Code on the right-hand side, simply click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once that's done, simply press on Ctrl-V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once that's done, you should be able to see the widget. And on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to simply click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, you just want to paste the code, so simply press on Ctrl V. Now under font family, this is where you can change it into the font into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply click on update so we can view the changes. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the Add to Preview. As you can see, we now have Facebook comments on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.